Hello, I'm Nadia. This is my sewing kit. Let's look inside.
Vocabulary in my sewing kit.
This is a needle.
A needle. A needle.
This is thread.
Thread. Thread.
This is a pin.
A pin. A pin.
This is a thimble.
A thimble. A thimble.
This is a button.
A button. A button.
This is a measuring tape.
A measuring tape. A measuring tape.
Look, I made it myself.